You've been in a wreck with someone who's under 18. A minor's crashed into you. Are you going to be able to recover? Let's find out.
Welcome to Attorney911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. Let's get some answers to the most asked questions. We break down the legal issues and provide expert advice to help you navigate life's legal challenges. You might even call us your first responder to a legal emergency. Up next, real-world cases, valuable insights, and practical tips you can use today. It's time to get smart like a lawyer.
When you've been in a collision with someone who's under 18, you're probably wondering, oh gosh, what am I going to do? I've been hit by this kid. They don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to drive. My car's all messed up, and now I've got to deal with some kid. Well, in Texas, everyone's required to have auto insurance. They should do. If they're driving around, they have to have at least the minimum $30,000 worth of coverage. So just like in any other car collision, you're going to get their information, take a picture of their driver's license, take a picture of their insurance, take a picture of all your property damage, take a picture of the inside of your car. The other thing that we always tell people to do is take a picture of the other driver. Now, don't get in a fight over it if they're, going to punch you in the face because they're wondering why you're taking their picture. We always just say do that because that way you can always match up their license if you need to, or sometimes the insurance company will ask and say, well, we have somebody that's saying they weren't driving. And in this particular case, when you're dealing with a minor, sometimes we've had this where they didn't want to own up to it and tell their parents that they had been in a wreck. I know that sounds crazy, but it's happened. So take a picture of them, make a normal insurance claim like you would before. You're going to call their insurance, tell them what happened, what the minor did to cause the collision, process the claim that way. And always, again, call a qualified attorney. If you can't figure out how to help yourself, we can definitely help you. Call Attorney911 and we'll walk you through it.
You just learned something new. Attorney911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. We hope you found today's conversation insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the show so you'll never miss an episode, and share it with family and friends who might benefit from the things we talk about. A new podcast launches every week. That means you get more legal tips, real-life cases, and expert advice. This is Attorney911, the podcast.